Alright, I'm finna get ready to start on this R6. I have the quick shifter for it. I have the sprockets for it. I have a new 520 chain set up for it. I have let's see, I have all my tuning supplies I need to put on here, and I also have some block off plates that I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that installed. I should have installed it when I installed that air filter on the last videos or one of the videos, but I wasn't really even thinking about the block off plates. Honestly, I forgot about them. So that's enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into it.
Stars. Rocket shit be landing on the moon. Moonwalking my way through the beat and boom, boom, boom. It's the time where the feeling rises. Sun shining on a nice horizon. Feeling through my soul, translating through my tech. Welcome to my world, be back in a sec. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and blast up. This my time, let's blast up. Feel this vibe, let's dance up. Blast off, blast off, blast off, blast off, dance off, blast off, dance off. As me, I do not get accepted. Nothing won't change, it is all perspective. When I just dance, it's another universe, so diverse and traverse, we reverse and rehearse. My soul in my mind and my thoughts, I am blind to my time in a rush, on a climb, I should trust. Blast off, blast off. Mask off, mask off, mask off, mask off. Truth has become my deed. Enter my assassin creed. These days I barely read. Sweat is making me bleed. Don't matter, I'm the one who agreed. My thoughts have took the lead. Lead. 3, 2, 1, and blast off. This my time, let's blast off. Feel this vibe, let's dance off. Yeah. Vibing in my soul on the floor like this. Gotta make a way, I should really try this. Surfing on a board chord, on my 7 chords chord. Fighting for my soul, so rest of my record chord. What's a billboard, windows in my keyboard. Falling on my skateboard, I prefer a snowboard. Talk about surfboard, almost on my board. I'ma talk about my way. I know how to say it straight. I learned that from my baby. It's almost my birthday day, but I prefer my day. Birth is a lazy day. My haters always stay away. I think I feel okay. I'm running in my pathway. 3, 2, 1, and blast off. This my time, let's blast off. Feel this vibe, let's dance off. Just started. On Mars. Stars. shining on a nice horizon. Feeling through my soul, translating through my tech. Welcome to my world, be back in a sec. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and blast off. This my time, let's blast off. Feel this vibe, let's dance off. Blast off, blast off, blast off, blast off, dance off, dance off, blast off, dance off. As me, I do not get accepted. Nothing won't change, it is all perspective. When I just dance, it's another universe. So diverse and traverse, and reverse and rehearse. My soul in my mind, and my thoughts, I am blind to my time. And I rush on a climb, I should trust. Blast off, blast off. Mask off, mask off, mask off, mask off. Truth has become my deed. Enter my Assassin's Creed. These days I barely read. Sweat is making me bleed. Don't matter, I'm the one who agreed. My thoughts have took the lead. Lead. 3, 2, 1.
So I'm installing the block off plates. I finally got this crap off. I just wanted to kind of give you a close-up of what I've been doing here. I got the plates on here. Honestly, I forgot what brand it is. It's just some plates I got off of eBay. But yeah, this has been a major pain in the ass, and because the space is so tight, and just getting in there, it's just, man, I've been on this for like 30 minutes. I thought this was gonna be like a 15-minute job trying to get this crap out of here. Finally, I had to just go get a ratchet with a hex head on it to get in here, because at first I was just trying to use a regular like hex tool like that, but it was too long. And then I had another one, it was too short. I couldn't get enough leverage on it, and trying to turn it in there, I mean, it was hard. So if you do happen to do block off plates, I would recommend you use one of these sockets that has a hex on it, and you can ratchet it, because otherwise it's going to be a major pain, and it's going to take forever to get out. So I just kind of wanted to show that.
3, 2, 1, and blast off. This my time, let's blast off. Feel this vibe, let's dance off. Yeah. Vibing in my soul on the floor like this. Gotta make a way, I should really try this. Surfing on a board chord, on my 7 chords chord. Fighting for my soul, that's a Mary chord. What's a billboard, windows in my keyboard. Falling on my skateboard, I prefer a snowboard. Talk about surfboard, almost on my board. I'ma talk about my way. I know how to say it straight. I learned that from my baby. It's almost my birthday day, but I prefer Monday day. Birth is a lazy day. My haters always stay away. I think I feel okay. I'm running in my pathway. 3, 2, 1, and blast off. This my time, let's blast off. Feel this vibe, let's dance off.
So I finally got done putting the block off plates on this R6. I have the quick shifter ready to go. I was going to put it on now, but I think I'm going to just wait till the next video because I need to get the chain and the sprocket. I think I have the rear sprocket, but I don't think the front sprocket has came yet. And since I have to take that shift rod and everything off to get to the front sprocket and everything, I'm going to just wait and do all of that at the same time. On another note, I do have the fairings for the bike here in this box. I'm going to try to put that on soon. Once I put the exhaust on, we pretty much good to go from there. Once I get the whole bike assembled, I'm going to tune it. And that'll pretty much be the end of this R6 project. So it won't be long. I know the video has been kind of slow on it, but I should have it done very, very soon. So keep a lookout for the videos.